Good morning, everybody. Say good morning, Max. Here's Molly. Molly wants to be on camera. I'm looking pretty gross this morning. I just dropped Willie off at the bus, and then I went through a little gas station drive-thru and got myself a little Diet Coke because we have been sick for like over 2 weeks now, and my house is a disaster. So today's gonna be a cleaning day. So this is gonna be a cleaning vlog. Is that like a nerdy kind of vlog or what? Yeah. Anyway, so today's vlog is not gonna be like a normal follow me around vlog, so I'm just going up to my house. But it's gonna be me cleaning and just showing you kind of like what products I use. And I've had the stomach flu the last couple of days, so I might give in. Yeah, might give in a little early and not clean everything because I might get kind of weak. But you know, you just feel like your house is just gross and needs to be completely clean. That's me. She's eating some cereal from back because that's all we have time for. So this is my look today at the bus stop. Let me show you. Robe, sweats, some pants, some shoes. And then she's like trying to look pretty. Trying to look pretty. So pretty. Should we get cleaning? So the main living area is not too bad. Just like needs some tidying. You know, it's fine. Just a little tidying. But upstairs is where it really needs to go down. I need to clean some bathrooms, tidy up, and tons and tons and tons of laundry. So you guys wanna come with me? Let's clean! Okay, so this is for Molly's hair. And I have this little bin that I like keep all of their hair stuff in. And I keep it over here in this buffet because we use it every day. And I'm too lazy to go all the way upstairs and do their hair because we usually just get their hair done while they're eating breakfast. And then this is Will's homework. I clean out his backpack every day and I'm gonna put it, I have these little folders in my office that I think I've showed you guys before. They're right here, this one's Will's. So any important homework that I think we should keep, I put it in his folder right here. So let's do that.
Oh, what's that folder?
This is a folder of Willie's homework.
Oh.
So I don't keep everything that Will has as far as homework, but I really thought this homework was cute because he started writing William on all of his work instead of Will. I thought that was so cute. So I just wanted to keep that for memory's sake. He says, I am thankful for Pokemon. Also thought that was cute. So bless my husband's heart. He did all the dishes last night. Bless his heart. I usually try to always have the dishes done at night, so in the morning everything's like fresh and clean and ready to go. So that's important to me too. So I wanted to share with you guys something that my friend Julie does, and I love it, and I copied her, and a lot of you guys complimented me on it when I posted something on Instagram about it, but it's just this little stand right here. This is a cake stand from the dollar section at Target, and I just have a cute little plant. This is from Target from like a year ago, so it's kind of old. Okay. And then I have my favorite hand soap and lotion, and then my favorite candle. Isn't that cute?
Mama.
They're hungry.
Mama.
Okay. Also gonna do a nice deep clean of my sink. So I'm gonna be using this Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser. You guys know I've loved this stuff for years. I gotta shake it up. But I just wanna do a nice good scrub on everything. And then I want to just clean off the countertops here. There's like cereal on the floor. Just wipe it off, get a candle going. So this area is nice and clean. But then I gotta work on the floors because there's like crumbs and it needs to be mopped. And then I need to clean that bathroom, but Max is in there now, and Molly is like, where are you, Max? Perfectly clean sink, my favorite thing in the world. Now I'm gonna light this yummy candle from Target. Oh, Christmas tree. It's my favorite one right now. It smells so, so good. Gonna light that, baby. Look at these two. Spin, 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 all around. Spin, spin, spin. Love you. Another favorite of mine has been this Method Wood for Good polish. And it smells really, really good, but I use it to wipe my table because there's just like some random little marks here. Now I'm just gonna vacuum all this. We don't have any carpet here on this main floor for good reason because we have lots of spills. But if there's anything like under the stove that I can't reach, I'll brush it out with the broom, but let's vacuum. Yes? Oops, are you okay? This is a Dyson one, and I never would have purchased this with my own money, but my husband won it at work. But I love it. The Dyson is amazing. There's a reason why people love it. It's really lightweight, super durable, and I like how you just like empty it out really easily here. So, love me a good Dyson vacuum, but I didn't have to buy it, So Molly dumped, no, don't touch. This bag of cereal everywhere. Don't touch, Molls, look at it. Molly, don't touch it, you gotta come over here. So, I get to vacuum it up. Okay, so my friend just dropped this off to me. It's a brand new Norwex cleaning towel. And if you guys haven't heard about Norwex, it's big, like so many people love it. You basically don't have to use any cleaning products except this. I'm not gonna be using this today because I've never used it before and I wanna like figure out how to actually use it, but all my friends that use it love it. It basically cleans itself, if that even makes sense. It's gonna take me some time to get used to the idea, but when I'm cleaning my bathroom and stuff today, because everybody has been sick in the bathroom, I'm not gonna be using this. But I do have this, and I can't wait to share with you guys after I use it for a while. Also doing a quick little mop with this Bona mop right here. This is what our builder told us to use on these floors because they're not real wood. And they said that a steam mop would be bad. So I'm just gonna do this really quickly on the floor because there's nothing like too bad, but just enough that it's clean. Okay, so this is the guest bathroom. And I feel like this is just like, I should be wearing a hazmat suit because so much sickness has happened in here. And normally I don't like to use like really strong chemicals when I clean, but I'm gonna have to. I just need to kill all of the bacteria that has been in here. So I'm just gonna clean the toilet, clean the sinks. This is just, doesn't even clean, there's toilet hanging out up there. Clean out the garbage can, everything, so. Okay, to clean the toilet, I'm gonna be using this Clorox bleach one. I found this really awesome product that has great cleaning properties and kills a ton of germs. And it has hydrogen peroxide instead of bleach. But right now, it's like kind of making me sick because I'm kind of like nauseous. So I'm gonna use the rest of this as well. This does have bleach, but this is just so I can kill all the germs. But this is a great find because it does not smell horrible like bleach at all. So this is what I'm gonna be using in the bathroom. I don't wanna show you the toilets or anything because that's kind of gross. But I'm gonna clean it right now. All right, hi. The bathroom is all clean. It smells just nice and clean. I cleaned the floors, the baseboards, the door handles, everything. So this should be sanitized now for guests when they come to our guest bath. Now the hard part is gonna be upstairs because the bedrooms are the worst because I haven't been up there a lot. I've been down here a lot with everyone, so it's gonna get intense up there. I don't think I'll probably do it all today because I'll die. It's already 10 o'clock, so I've already been doing this for like an hour and a half. So upstairs we go. So the upstairs is gonna be a little bit of reality TV and I'm literally showing you what it's really like. So my room's pretty messy. It's been crazy. Have some old pillows, homework scattered on the floor, some random toys, and haven't made my bed. Not like crazy bad, but it does need to be vacuumed and just dusted. And so I'm like out of breath from just being up here. Now I'm just wiping stuff off, just using this method cleaner. And someday when I actually have this room decorated, I will do a tour, but I have a lot of decor ideas that I want to do and switch up, so this room is okay. But I'm gonna hurry up and vacuum now that it's like wiped off and everything. Just gonna vacuum and then light a candle and then this room will be done as well. This is my laundry room. because I've been sick for over 2 weeks and I've been cleaning laundry, but I haven't folded it or put it away. So this is clean, gotta do another load. So I'll probably fold these this afternoon when Molly's napping. I always put OxyClean in just a little bit. And then this. Oh my gosh, this is stressing me out. Next room is the kids' bathroom. I still have Halloween decor up. I need to get through all of these toothpaste. There's old ones. And I gotta clean the sinks, clean the toilet, clean the bathtub, the floors. I'm getting tired, guys. I'm getting really tired. But it's only been like an hour and 45 minutes, so it will feel so good when it's all done. Which, by the way, I should probably add these to my wash while I'm at it. So I'm gonna clean this bathroom now. Okay, for this bathroom, I'm just using the Barkeeper's Friend spray just to clean it all out. And I'm gonna use the same thing over there on the counters too. Bathroom's all clean. Here's my belly, sticking out as always, but took all the Halloween decor, I cleaned the whole bathroom, now I just gotta empty that trash can. Floors are clean, bathroom is complete. Okay, so it's a lot later, it's like 2 p.m. and I picked Will up from school and then I went to go just get some drive-through food really fast because I just had to get out of the house. I just wanted to get something and it took me 45 minutes in the drive-through. Is that ridiculous? So ridiculous. Anyway, I'm not feeling great. I'm like cramping. I've done so much cleaning today, but my husband's like, don't kill yourself. And I was feeling great. And then all of a sudden it just like, ugh. Anyway, so I just got Molly down for a nap. And now I have 3 loads of laundry in front of me that need to be folded. Ugh. So I'm probably just gonna watch a show right here. And my boys have a couple of friends over right now, so they're playing in the other room, so that will keep them entertained. That's the hard part about pregnancy, is that you try to do things, and I do this so that I don't have to do like major cleaning every single day. And obviously I've been so sick that I feel behind, so this is definitely not my like everyday cleaning routine. Trust me. It was just like, this is like lots and lots of cleaning after being sick for so long. And also I cleaned like all the railings of my house. They're white, and so you can see when there's like dirty hands, but also just because like so many germs, you know. So that was like a lot of work too. I also vacuumed the stairs. Okay, it's a couple days later and I actually never finished this vlog, but that was just kind of a day in how I cleaned, and obviously that was way more than normal because we had been sick. So I hope you guys found that interesting. If you guys want more cleaning related videos, comment down below and let me know that. Also subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.